First up, the Black Ember Admin Tech Kit. This is the backbone of my EDC. It's sleek, durable, and offers smart compartmentalization to keep all my gadgets organized. The weather-resistant materials are perfect for any adventure. Okay, let's kick things off with the Apple AirPods Pro 2. I got this silicone case off Amazon because it was slim and cheap, just like my girlfriend. I like that it's easy to remove for charging, and it's highly visible, so I can always find my AirPods with ease. Your coffee shop comrades are going to be green with envy when you pull this charger out to top off your tech. Next up, I got this Ugreen 65-watt wall charger, and this thing has me really juiced. It has a GameFast 2 chip, so it can handle my iPhone 15 Pro, 12.9-inch iPad, and Apple Watch all at the same time. It's 50% smaller than the original with a foldable plug, so it packs away efficiently. You can pick one of these up on Amazon for around $40. Open, flip, snap. Now that you know how to use a Pocket Pen, let me fill you in. Pocket Pens are rugged, lightweight, waterproof, and made in America. These are my favorite EDC pens by far. They're so compact, sleek, and easy to use, it's a no-brainer. You can tuck them away anywhere. You won't even notice it in your pocket. It takes up virtually no room in a hip sack, and it's lightweight should you stow it in your shirt pocket. At only around $20 for 3 of them, I challenge you to come up with a reason not to buy them. These are just some standard Apple USB-C charging cables with a really nice braided sleeve. These roll up well, and I just keep them coiled with some 3M Velcro wraps. Now this Anker 622 Mago MagSafe charger comes in real handy. At only 1/2 inch thick, it's not too bulky when it's locked onto the back of your phone. Add to that, it has a folding magnetic stand so you can use your phone to make FaceTime calls, watch videos in landscape mode, and use nightstand mode while it's charging by your bedside. For around $30, you don't even have to charge up your bank account after buying one. I've had this Dango capsule for close to 10 years now, and it gives me peace of mind knowing I always have up to 6 ibuprofen on hand. Waterproof to 1,000 feet, it will keep my medication from moistening. It's made in America from food safe, anodized 6061 aluminum with their quad loop secure caps so you can tie on a lanyard. And the best part is the $30 price tag won't give you a headache. Coming in at around $18, this Borat EDC torch really shines through with all its features. It has a magnetic base which really comes in handy when you need a little extra light without having to hold on to it, although occasionally I've had random things stick to it. It also glows in the dark, making it easy to find in low light situations. It's IP65, waterproof, and has 12 light modes, 5 main light modes, 7 side light modes, including UV and red-blue flash, rechargeable battery with USB-C fast charging, and a lanyard pass-through. Designed by my favorite knife designer, Sergio Panchenko, for Black Fox knives. The Black Fox Bean Gen 2 is made from 440C stainless steel and comes in at just 3 inches long closed. It's a perfect fit for this small EDC kit. With a thumb pull and slip joint, it opens easily, however it doesn't have a spring lock, so watch your digits. This convenient Apple Watch charger is a wireless magnetic lifesaver. The Huawei wireless charger has a keychain loop and LED indicator to show charge level. Red indicates 0 to 30%, blue is 30 to 60%, and green is 60 to 100%. If the battery is low, you can charge it and the watch at the same time. Every time I use it, I think, man, this is great. Now let's go over the Black Ember SML Admin. It has 3 internal pockets, 2 with top seams and 1 stretchy mesh pocket, great for cables depending on how you utilize it. 3 stretch loops for a flashlight, knife, or other gadget. Made of 800 denier 3-layer microhex performance textile, it sheds water and feels great to the touch. The back has Black Ember's modular magnetic latch system and 2 small D-rings so you can lock it onto the outside of your Citadel modular backpack or carry over your shoulder. On the front there is a phone pouch and sleeves for 2 pens. Oh, this is a mini notepad from Mowal Design. He designed some genius little folding wallets and card holders. I'll feature his stuff in the future and include a link below. The pen sleeves are great, but things can get a little bulky if it's packed full, and there's no adjustment on the magnetic strap. The YKK WaterGuard zippers move great and seal up tight, and I really dig these Hyperlon zipper pulls. Whether I'm working remotely, traveling, or handling everyday tasks, this kit adapts seamlessly. Quick charging, efficient data management, and practical tools make life easier. That's my ultimate EDC Tech kit. Each item serves a purpose, keeping me productive and prepared. What's in your EDC? Drop a comment below, like if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.